Yeah, I am writing a paper as a beginner. I'm afraid getting rejection seeing this criteria. Okay, yeah, I understand, because this is the presentation is, the top class journal. If you want to publish in Q1 journal, like my standard, this is my standard. But you always can start something like a conference paper, seminar paper, Q3, Q4 paper. In that case, maybe, for learning purpose, for training purpose, it should be okay. And also, you never give up. So this is the learning process. Sometimes, it's not that high quality paper, but it is accepted in Q1 journal. Sometimes there is a luck, sometimes there is a fortune also. So that's why I say never give up, keep on trying. Sometimes paper is rejected, very high quality paper, I feel this is the top paper, but it is rejected in each and everywhere. But it is a substandard paper, it is not that high quality, but we managed to publish in good quality journal. So that's why you need to bear patience. And as a beginner or a new researcher, I think if you are afraid, maybe you can start with a conference paper, seminar paper, which are not that strong. Normally, conferences are okay. You can publish quite easily. It will not be that strong. Okay, so what I presented here, it is very, after publishing 400, 500, 600 paper, this is my standard. So that's why for your case, probably. So your case, I think you start with something like a conference paper. Okay, hope that answered your question. Okay, yeah, I can take.